Welcome back. 59 government primary school buildings in Goa are unsafe. Many questions arose after roof of the government primary school building at Camrabhat Taleigao collapsed on Monday. Further investigation by Prudent in this episode has revealed that roofs of 59 government primary school buildings are unsafe and need major repairs. 27 schools from north and 32 in the south need maintenance.
Are government primary school buildings safe? Is the future of students studying in the school safe? On Monday, roof of the primary school building at Camrabhat in Taleigao collapsed. Fortunately, at the time of the incident, there weren't any children inside as the incident occurred off school hours. The children have now been temporarily shifted to the nearby chapel and regular classes are on. There could be chances of more incidents like Camrabhat. There are in all 59 government primary school buildings which need major roof repairs. They are unsafe right now. 27 schools from North Goa and 32 in the south. Civil section of the Goa Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan carried out inspection of the primary schools and prepared the report. Sources from Education Department confirmed that ADEI of the concerned areas are fully aware about the condition of school buildings. The report will be submitted to the Project Approval Board under the Ministry of Human Resource and Development at New Delhi. Project Approval Board meeting is scheduled on 25th February. If the project gets approved, then 65% expenditure will be funded by the Union Government and 35% will be borne by the state government. Sources from the Goa Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan informed that school headmistress of Camrabhat Government Primary School had clearly mentioned in the Unified District Information System for Education about the unsafe condition of the school roof. Following this remark, engineers under the Abhiyan inspected school premises in the month of December and pressed for urgent need of roof repairs. Sources informed that School Headmistress and Parent-Teacher Association raised the matter about the condition of school with Tiswadi ADEI, but except minor repairs, authorities did nothing. Sources also informed that there is ongoing dispute between CCP and Taleigao Panchayat over the property. School believes that property belongs to them, but they don't have land acquisition documents since its inception in 1976. Playground near the school is also built by Taleigao Panchayat acquiring school land. In all, 42 students studying in the school belongs to migrant community. Sources say this might be the reason for neglect by concerned authorities. On the day of incident, authorities from Education Ministry called upon the Education Department officials and Goa State Infrastructure Development Corporation to repair the school roof on urgent basis. Education Department later sent a letter to GSIDC the next day of incident to begin repair work on priority basis. The report of 59 unsafe school buildings is shocking. It may take few more months or maybe even years by the time these work proposals cross red tapeism blockades. Meanwhile, how will the state assure that there won't be another Camrabhat? Reporter Mahesh Gadi and video journalist Devendra Gaunkar for Prudent.
The High Court has appointed amicus curiae in Miki Pacheco's electricity engineer assault case. The MLA Miki Pacheco was convicted in this case. However, he was released on probation by Margao District and Sessions Court. The state has challenged the court's verdict before the High Court. Meanwhile, the High Court has also issued notice to all the parties in Koregaon illegal mining case.
The High Court of Bombay at Goa has appointed Senior Advocate Sarvesh Lotlikar as amicus curiae to assist the court in Electricity Department Junior Engineer Kapil Natekar assault case. The District and Session Court, Margao, had convicted Nuwe MLA Miki Pacheco in this case but had released him on probation. Now the state government has challenged this judgment in High Court. The High Court will hear this matter on Tuesday. Meanwhile, in Koregaon illegal mining case, state government has challenged the order of District and Session Court in the High Court. The court had granted anticipatory bail to the main accused Jitendra Deshprabhu, suspended former mines director Arvind Loliakar and Hector Fernandez in Koregaon illegal mining case. The intervener in this matter withdrew his petition as the state government has now challenged subordinate court's order. The High Court issued notice to all parties on Thursday in this matter and has given time of 2 weeks to file their reply. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.